All right, everybody, this is Ross. We are today looking at the cherries. We're doing a little bit of a harvest. I'm right now in the center of the trees. We have two trees in the backyard, a white gold and a black gold. And because we had a lot of rain last night and the sun did not hit these trees for quite some time, the trees did not dry off quick enough. And the fruits did not dry off quick enough. And now we have brown rot that is infecting some of the fruits, and it's spreading quickly to the other fruits. So it's going to rain again actually tonight, and that's what really perpetuates this disease even further, is the moisture and the humidity. So by raining again, we're going to see more problems with this disease of brown rot. And I just want to make sure I'm coming in here, I'm looking at all the fruits, I'm taking off the ones that don't look good. I'm also harvesting from the center of the tree, because harvesting from the center of the tree is typically where there's a lot of disease pressure. There's less light, there's less airflow, and this is typically where the problem areas occur. Now, we also have problems with a pest on these cherries and really all the stone fruits. It's called Plum Cucurlio, and this Plum Cucurlio infects all the fruits, all the stone fruits at some point, especially if high enough in number. And there's a larva that they insert into the fruit. They'll bite all the fruits, and they look like a half crescent moon is the bite. And then there's the larva on the inside, eating its way out of the fruit, getting to a large enough size, eventually crawls out of the fruit, falls to the ground, gets itself in the soil, and then completes its life cycle, flies out of the soil, and then infects other stone fruits later in the season. And that's just not good, because this Plum Cucurlio is just a menace, and it's been around for a very long time. You can obviously spray for it, but that's not something I like to do, is spray. So we may have to in the future of these stone fruits. It's just seemingly just something that has to happen. But I'm coming around right now, and I'm going to harvest from the center. I'm going to look at all the fruits. I'm going to take off the fruits that have brown rot, and then I'm going to take off the fruits that have Plum Cucurlio, and I'm going to then dispose of them after I throw them all on the ground. So that's just life right now. You know, nothing's perfect. Of course, we're not growing fruit this for sale. It doesn't have to be perfect. That just is what it is. This is the things we have to deal with as home growers. And yeah, I'm just happy to have a harvest at all. Here's actually the beginnings of brown rot, because it was next to a fruit that had brown rot on it. Here's another one right here. So these are probably still edible at this stage, but not something you really want to eat. This variety, white gold, by the way, is a lighter colored variety of cherry, and it doesn't necessarily get very dark. It can get darker, but these are very good to eat right now. So we are harvesting some of these a little bit earlier than I would like, but it is what it is. They're still very, very good. So the last little final thought I want to leave you guys with is that in the future, to kind of help prevent this from happening, we just have to improve a little bit on our pruning. So keeping the center open, keeping more airflow and more sunlight in the center will give us less disease pressure in the future. Here's actually another cherry of the black gold variety that's much further progressed this brown rot. And you can see the back, that's what it should look like. It is nice and red. And of course, it's really, really nasty. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching this one. We'll see you all soon. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Catch you guys for the next video. Take care.